My name is Alana Wilcox, and I'm the editorial director of Coach House Books in Toronto. Coach House Press has been around since 1965, and we've always done some translation of French-Canadian works into English, so we have a long history of it. One of the advantages of translation is it gives you the opportunity to see your country from a little bit of a different perspective and to bring that to your readers. You know, we end up sometimes with a pretty narrow view of what this huge country looks like, so it's great to be able to broaden that a little bit. There are a lot of challenges to publishing translations. A lot of readers are hostile to the notion of a translated text, so that makes it difficult to promote and sell the book sometimes. Promoting a title in translation is a bit different than promoting an English language original book because the authors, they can't give a reading the same way they would. I think more and more publishers rely on the author's presence to help promote a book, so it makes it a bit challenging in that respect. Well, I think it's true that no independent literary Canadian publishers would exist without the help of the Canada Council for the Arts. I think we're all desperately in need of that support, and that can be said even more so for translation. Without the translation program, we simply wouldn't be able to afford the cost of a translator. I'm glad that it's opened up to also support promotion and readers' fees and editing, because those are all things that are immense challenges. I'm really hoping that the translation fair will give us the chance to sell some titles into French Canada, as well as to acquire some books from the process, to find some new writers that I didn't know about and make good, long-lasting relationships with publishers. After the fair is over, I think we'll all go home and read the catalogs that we've collected. I'm hoping that there will be some titles in other people's catalogs that will interest me. Maybe from that a few translation deals will happen in the short term, and in the long term I hope that I get to know the other publishers well enough that one of them can say, I just published this book, I think that's a Coach House book, and they'll know to send it to me. So that's what ideally this will grow into for everyone.